Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Mitsubishi Outlander key fob. Before you begin, gather all key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones you want to keep active. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged for a smooth and uninterrupted process. Please note, for successfully adding a new key, you typically need 2 already programmed working keys to start. To enter the vehicle's programming mode, begin by inserting your first already programmed key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position, just shy of cranking the engine, and hold it there for 5 seconds. Then, turn it OFF and promptly remove it. Within 30 seconds, insert your second programmed key, turn it to on, and patiently wait for the immobilizer light on your dashboard to start blinking. This blinking confirms the vehicle is now ready for programming. Once the immobilizer light begins to blink, turn the second key to the OFF position and remove it from the ignition. Now, within 30 seconds of removing that second key, insert your new, unprogrammed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. You'll then observe the immobilizer light come on for 3 seconds and subsequently turn off. This sequence clearly signals the successful programming of this new key to your vehicle system. After successfully programming, remove the newly programmed key from the ignition and thoroughly test all its functions, including locking, unlocking, and starting the engine. If you have additional fobs to program, simply repeat the entire process for each new key you wish to add. Remember, if you only possess one working key, or if these detailed steps do not yield success, professional assistance from a qualified locksmith or dealership may be required.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.